Now, based on your Android version, this may not be totally available for all Android devices. Now, what you want to do on your device, you want to open settings. And under settings, you want to scroll and find battery here. This will take you to battery. Here you find usage information. This shows you your battery usage. Here you're going to see your battery level since it was last full. You also see screen time since last full charge. You find apps that drain your battery the most in this section here. Now, you can also tap on the app and then manage the battery usage. You find more information when you tap there, and you'll be able to optimize and then give all restricted access to the app. So if you constantly find apps refreshing, this might also be the reason. You can do this for all the apps in this section. You also find battery saver if you want to enable battery saver in this section. Sharing of battery if your device supports wireless charging. And you also find the battery health in this section here. Here you find battery health tips as well as charging optimization. You'll find adaptive charging and other information in this section here. You also find battery widgets and battery diagnostics. When you tap on the battery widgets, you'll be able to add a widget to your home screen. And with battery diagnostics, you'll be able to run diagnostics on your battery, such as battery drain too quickly, phone is very warm, issues with charging, and other issues. So if your phone feels very warm, you can tap on this and you get more information about the battery temperature. You also find battery percentage in this section. So if your battery percentage isn't displaying, and if you want it to display, you can come back here and turn it on. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.